just a quick follow-up on my PL-200 here. This port, most of the chuffing sound I was getting was coming out of this port. So I popped it out, and it does appear there was some adhesive there, but it was loose. I could shake it. So I am going to try to seal this and see what happens. Okay, we have implemented our fix on the BIC America PL-200 Series 2. You can see we got our silicone all the way around, and on the little receptacles for the pins for the grill. And I did not seal this port, and I don't think I need to. I'm going to play that same scene from Oblivion, and you'll see just how much improved it is. That's nice. I'm going to right now. Much improved. Very happy with it now. It sounds great. Great value, really nice looking piece. Super happy with it. Wish I didn't have to do some DIY fixes on it, but you know, sometimes somebody goes a little light on the glue. Alright, anyways, hope you enjoyed the video and hope this helps some people.